Hello and welcome to Ram Morning Yoga. I'm Jana and today I'm going to teach you one of my favorite sequences, the moon salutation. So today we're going to use a block, which you don't have to have, but it is really helpful whenever you're doing forward folds to help keep the spine straight and lengthen the reach of the arm. So thank you for joining us. We're going to start out from the standing position, mountain pose, and this is the posture that all of the other standing poses are based off of. So we're gonna spend just a few seconds talking about lining it up. Having good, safe alignment will get you the most benefit from the practice and help keep you pain-free. Start by placing the feet on the mat, maybe spreading the toes out, really feeling like your feet are balanced and totally gripping the earth beneath you. The knees are going to be slightly bent, stacked over the ankles, hips stacked over the knees. Spine is straight, shoulders rolled back, crown of the head toward the ceiling, and the arms are relaxed out to the side. So finding your mountain pose and taking a couple of minutes to find the breath. And maybe just feel a slight buoyancy in this standing posture. Remembering to keep that slight bend in the knees. And on our next inhale, we're going to raise the arms overhead. And then we're going to come into a forward fold. So I have our block here in front, and that's to allow me to go into this forward fold without sacrificing the integrity of the spine. We prefer to have a straight spine over, actually bending down and reaching for the toes and then sacrificing that healthy spine. So we want to find the position on the block that gives us a straight spine. I am in the first position, but you can go to the second or third position, or you can even stack two blocks, one on top of the other, if you find that your hamstrings are restricting your movement. Right, so we're going to leave this block in front of us for our forward fold. And we'll just practice that once, just finding a comfortable, aligned forward fold here. And then on the next inhale, bringing the arms up overhead. And on the exhale, folding to the right side of the body. Left arm is in between the left ear and the sky. Inhale, arms come up beside the ears. And then exhale, folding to the opposite side. Reaching out through that upper hand, really bringing that stretch into the arm. Inhale, coming back up. And then we're going to take our first spinal twist to the right. The arms will go out straight to the sides. The inhale brings us back up. The exhale will twist to the left. Inhale, the arms come back up. And we're going to take just a little mini back bend. Really scanning the low back and the neck for any areas of pain, pressure, tightness, and treating those with respect. Forward fold, down to the block, straight spine, slight bend in the knees. And then we'll do a half lift, and the arms can come out to the side like this, or next to the body. Coming back into that forward fold. Planting the right hand on the block, bending the right knee, and then rotating the left hand up toward the sky, welcoming that stretch into the left IT band there, running along the side of the leg from the hip to the knee. Bringing that hand back down, planting the left hand, bending the left knee, raising the right hand up toward the sky, and then welcoming that stretch into the right IT band. You should feel that from your knee going up to your hip, as well as a little bit of a spinal twist. And then we're going to add a little bit of something extra to this very relaxing sequence. We're going to throw in a chair pose to get some engagement through the quads, the glutes, the abdominal muscles. And then on the inhale, the arms come back up. So that was our moon salutation. We're taking side to side bends, twisting, a back bend, forward fold, half lift, IT band stretch on both sides, and then chair pose. So we're gonna run through it a little quicker, and we're going to sync up those movements with the breath. So on the inhale, the arms come overhead. Exhale, folding to the right, reaching through the left hand. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, folding. The inhale brings us back up. The arms extend laterally to the side as we do a spinal twist to the right. The inhale brings the arms back up overhead. Exhale, twisting left. Arms come up. Exhale, mini back bend. Inhale, the arms come up. Exhale, forward fold. Straightening the arms for a half lift. Forward fold. Planting the right hand, bending the right knee, sweeping the left arm up toward the sky. On the exhale, that left arm comes down to the block, bending the left knee, sweeping the right hand up, bringing that right hand down, and then leaning the hips back into chair pose. And you can take the hands out in front, you can take them overhead, you can even do eagle arms and twist one arm under the other if you like. And then we're gonna come back up and start the flow again. So side stretch, center, side stretch, center, arms extend for the twist, arms come overhead, extending for the twist on the opposite side. Bring the arms up, exhale for a mini back bend. Arms come back to center, exhale, forward fold to the block, half lift, engaging the intercostal muscles running along the spine, engaging the abdominal muscles. Hands come down, right hand plants on the block, right knee bends, left arm sweeps, IT band stretch. Left hand comes down to the block, left knee bends, right arm sweeps. Right arm comes down as the hips come into chair pose. Finding the breath here, bringing the awareness to the quads, the hamstrings, the glutes, the abdominals. The shoulders roll back, head toward the sky. Then we're going to go through this flow one more time. Inhale, arms coming up. Side stretch, center, side stretch, center, arms extend for the twist. Inhale, coming up. Exhale, twisting to the opposite side. Inhale, the hands come up. Little mini back bend on the exhale. Forward fold, half lift. Right hand comes to the block, right knee bends, left arm sweeps. And the left hand comes down, sweeping the right arm up. And then you can skip the chair if you don't like chair. But I find a lot of times that the postures I don't like are the ones I need the most. And then we'll run through this one more time without me talking. Feel free to take this flow at your own pace. So I thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed my favorite flow, the moon salutation. I hope you feel maybe a little more relaxed, a little more stretched out in your shoulders and the rest of your body. I hope this adds a little lightness to your step and brightness to your day. I thank you for joining me, and namaste.